welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you what's inside of the Amazon baby registry box, but I decided not to do a video for the Bye Bye Baby bag because it's so small that it will take me less than a minute to show you what's in there. So I'm just going to show you first this of the Bye Bye Baby registry. I tried twice going to their store and get this bag because I thought the first time was a mistake. But they actually gave me the same exact thing. So let's go in here. Look how empty this is. It just says Bye Bye Baby there. If you do a registry with them and you just walk into their like customer service desk or the registry desk, they will give you one of these bags. Just tell them you register and they might ask for your registry number, I'm not sure. And then they will just give you the stuff. Hopefully your baby or your local Bye Bye Baby will give you more than mine. But I just received the Aquaphor little diaper rash cream 3-in-1, the Lansinoh breast pads, and 2 breast milk storage bags. I have Boogie Wipes, just 1 sample, and then you have a coupon here in the back. Okay, and then you have the Gripe Water sample, and this is for when the baby has gas or colic. You can give him this and then it will feel better. It comes also with 1 coupon for that. It also comes with information for the Similac Strong Moms rewards. If you sign up for this, they're gonna send you free formula to your house. It comes with this beautiful actually magazine to give you ideas of what you should register for. It also comes with a checklist. I really like this magazine actually. It doesn't come with any coupons like it used to before, but they give you the coupons separate. I believe I have it here somewhere. Or I don't know if I already used it actually. It did came with a coupon that like it was $5 out of 15 or something like that. It comes with water wipes, a butter formula for the stretch marks, information about Bye Bye Baby credit card if you want to apply, and then a baby Ganics moisturizing daily lotion little pack here. And I don't think it has any coupons. Yep, that's it. So let me move on and show you what's inside of this box. This is everyone's favorite box because it has a lot of stuff. But actually the baby list one might be my favorite. But I'll let you be the judge. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, if the Amazon or the baby list. Just make sure that you register for both of them because they're free, or you just pay for shipping. And for this one, you have to be a member of Amazon Prime. You open your registry and then you have to spend like $10 so you can buy anything you need. If you need, I don't know, paper towels for your house, just add it to the registry, order them, and then you can order the box completely free, no shipping, nothing. And it is amazing. Let me show you here. This is some information here. It's the first time I read that part. So you might want to check this link. Amazon Baby Registry here. This is how it comes packed. And I mean, this is usually like $6 on the store, $5 and something. So you already have $6 here completely free. Your baby might not use this pacifier, but you might want to try it. This is the man pacifier. You have 2 and it's a newborn size. So you get 2 breast pads from Avent. You might want to try different brands and see which ones you like more. And the breastfeeding guide here in the same pack. You have a baby onesie here of animals from Carter's. And this is how it looks. Pretty nice. And it is more like boy style, but it's kind of gender neutral because it's white. So you may want to put like a bow if you're expecting a girl. And that's it. You can still use it. And it is size 3 to 6 months. Then you have another onesie here from Hanes. This is 0 to 6 months and it's actually like a little sweater. It is pretty thick and it's gray, but same thing. You can still use it for a girl if you wear, I don't know, pink or floral pants and then a bow. It will look pretty cute. You get water wipes. This water wipes pack, I also received one at Bye Baby and the other boxes. They are perfect to have on your diaper bag. But like I mentioned before on my other boxes, when you're ready to move on out of the travel packs, instead of buying them that cost like $2, just make sure any brand that you want, you go here by the Orchid Hearts wet wipes pouch, and you will be able to refill them with your favorite brand of wipes. So it's easy to carry 20 to 30 wipes in there. They dispense over here and you have a handle. So they are $20. It comes 2 of them. You can put one on your diaper bag, one on the car or the stroller or anywhere you want in the house just to keep them handy. They are perfect. If you have any questions, let me know, but I will link it down below on our description box so you can go to the website and buy them. You have an Avent bottle here. It does come with a pamphlet with all the information and items that they sell. They have a breast pump that actually my sister used and she likes it a lot. It is very comfortable, the parts here. So it has information there. I don't see any coupons. And then you have a bottle here inside. It is a 4-ounce bottle. You have a Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo little sample here. We have a Swaddle muslin blanket. Last time, 3 years ago, we have one that we still use, and it's, I think it was the same brand. I don't remember. I will link our video below of the first time I got one of these boxes. And it was like head shocks, and it's beautiful. We still use it. This one looks very thin and it's zebras, and it's a pretty big blanket. Very big. A little Aquaphor healing ointment here. And then you have these Pampers. That's the last thing you get. It is like a changing mat. I think you have seen this on the other videos. If not, just make sure you check them out. It comes a placemat, a pack of Dreft. You have some coupons here as well for random things and diaper. There is some information about their wipes, the Pampers Club. So I think every time you buy something and then you scan the receipt, you get points, and then at certain amount of points, you can just get free diapers. This is March of Dimes, some information. You have 6 wipes here and 1 diaper size 1, and that's it. Let me know what you think about this box. If you like this one better than the others, let me know in the comments below. Tell me which one is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.